Query model layers is not able to find the current active layer, so I made a Python script for this. The script goes through the layer array and checks if the layer status is current, returns a true value. After this, it outputs the full path of the active layer. Because changing layers does not trigger the Grasshopper canvas to recalculate, I have added a trigger component. I'm using this script with query model layers, and I am searching for the name that I get from the script, and then I can use the layer content however I want. Here is the script. Feel free to pause the video.